Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another vlog. It is currently 9 a.m. I just came back from the gym. I woke up pretty early. So my goal for 2020 is to take care of my skin, to take care of my body, to take care of my overall health. So I've been working out so that I can lose some extra pounds. Honestly, I've gained some extra pounds and I kind of want to lose that. That being said, I just wanted to start the vlog. I'm about to do my shower and skincare routine and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am done and I'm currently going out. I'm gonna do my weekly shopping. This is my outfit of the day. Let me show you. It's quite simple. Yeah. So bad at vlogging. I'm at the store and I'm getting a few things. I just got back home. I am very hungry. I am very tired. I think I'm gonna eat something, take a nap, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's like 2 to 3 days later. I made the other vlog on Friday and I told you guys I was gonna go take a nap, and I woke up the next day, which was Saturday, and Saturday was hectic. I was so busy. I was running errands. I was running up and down. And then Sunday was one of those days that I didn't want to wake up. I didn't want to do anything. I was exhausted from Friday and Saturday. So today is Monday and I decided to continue the vlogs from here. I'm going out with a friend and I want to take you guys with me. So let's go. We just ordered something to eat. We're just waiting. My friend doesn't want to be seen on camera, so I respect that. You're just gonna be seeing my ugly face. I'm drinking Fanta. I ordered honey chili potato and it's so good. I love this so much. This is a Chinese dish. Just finished eating. Now we're going to watch a movie and we're watching Frozen. I know it's a little bit childish, but I love it. This is my outfit. You won't be able to see it, but yeah. I'm on my way home, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Guys, I just got home. I changed into something comfortable. I'm about to do my skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and all the good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.